It's time to go back to school, which means your student needs pens, pencils, glue sticks, rulers, notebooks, and a whole lot more. Why hit multiple stores trying to get it all when you can get everything in one convenient bundle? This 30-piece all-in-one supply pack for boys and girls is your one-stop shop for school supplies. Each kit comes with 3 colorful 2-pocket folders, spiral notebook, 5 number 2 pencils, 5 ballpoint pens, a ruler, safety scissors for lefties or righties, a pencil sharpener, crayons, 2 glue sticks, 2 highlighters, 3 erasers, and a pencil case to store it all in. Save yourself stressful shopping trips all over and give your student the School Essentials Pack that has everything they need for a busy school year.